Interestingly, she was the last juror to show up. All right, everyone, you may be seated to state way the call, jury. Defense way the call. Welcome back, folks. Juror number one. Now, I understand there are 4 persons. Is that correct? And has the jury decided to go home for the evening and resume deliberations in the morning? All right, very good. Folks, I want to give you some directions. You've heard most of these already, and that is do not discuss this case with anyone, including family and friends. Also, avoid any media coverage of this case, so stay away from local media, also any national media that could potentially be covering this, and be very careful about social media. Avoid any mentions whatsoever about this case. We are down to 12 jurors now, so I cannot afford to lose any of you folks, all right? So be extra careful tonight. Just find a nice book to read and just relax. I don't want you to think about it over the evening. Just let your minds rest easily. I promise you it'll all come back to you tomorrow when you resume deliberations. At this point, I am suspending your deliberations, so you're not allowed to discuss this among yourselves either until you see me again tomorrow. The courtroom that you are using as your jury room is going to be in use starting at 9 o'clock tomorrow, as will this courtroom. So I'm going to have you report at 10 tomorrow, okay? So you'll report at 10 a.m. When you check in, just tell them you're here for the jury, and they will bring you back to the temporary jury room. Just hang out in there until I bring you back in here. Make sure you're the same 12 people who have been here all week, and then I'll let you resume your deliberations at that time. But at this point, you can't talk about it anymore, okay? So have a good night, folks. I'll see you tomorrow at 10. Please go with the officers. Any issues in the state? Any issues in defense? All right, folks, I do need you in here at 10 o'clock tomorrow just to make sure we have the right jury. I'll stand adjourned until 9 o'clock in the morning. This case will be in recess until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Have a good night, folks.